Hey guys, Safe Ride support specialist is hiring part-time. So basically what you will be doing is closely monitor and progress rides and provide any needed support for parents, riders, and care drivers. Resolve any issues that may come up during a ride, even if it means a creative out-of-the-box solution. Be able to recognize and resolve problems before they arise. Handle a high volume of calls to the Safe Ride support phone queue. Please have 1 year customer service experience in a call center high volume environment, performance matrix environment, experience meeting or exceeding indicators, collaborating with team members, etc. Please reside in these states. And this position does pay $18 to $20 an hour. Good luck to you guys, and